Hey, in this video we'll talk about the Kaspa price prediction or the Kaspa price prediction. We'll start off with the daily chart. I won't waste a second of your time. Let's start. So the first thing I want you to notice is how weak the last daily candle was in terms of buying pressure. Yes, it was on a Saturday, but on a Sunday, half of the day during the Asia Plus beginning of European session, 3 hours before the US session, we're basically having pretty much the same amount of volume here and here, which is not good. Not only that, but we have shorts coming up to the 80, which is very, very strong on the 3 hour. Kind of closing up, we had 780,000, as you can see right here, shorts closed. But here's the thing, the daily chart, money flow, this is the daily chart, the money flow is going down, view up, this graphing is going down. So the question is, what is going to happen right now? What else do we have? What ideas do we have about the chart right here? And I'll just make sure this is visible. This red thing is money flow, this is view up. So here's the game plan, two game plans. So I'm bearish for the day. I can be bullish, will be bullish on a particular setup. What I want to see is 80 shorts closed. I'll explain what on the 3 hour, and view up or MFI curving up on the daily, and we long. This is exactly how I plan on playing this out. And in the last video I told you, we were right here, I said that next 2 days will be red. We did have 2 or 3 days of red candles. So the question is, what is going to happen now? This is exactly how I'm planning on playing this out. And I want to warn everyone before this. If you want to learn a little bit more from me, I'm up to 274 grand on meme coins. There's a link in the description down below for my course and signals chat, and also 8 grand worth of bonuses from BITMART. Love you with all my heart. See you next video. This video is no fun.